Hello, my YouTube family. Warm welcome on our YouTube channel on English Learners. In this video, I'm gonna share with all of you. Not I'm gonna share. I want to talk to all of you. I'm feeling like that you all are there, and we are talking to each other. Okay. So I want to share second part of my life. I know that on social media, everyone tries to share their best part of their life, whatever happened, best things, or whatever happens in their life, best things they try to show. But I'm not like that. I want to share this kind of things as well, because I know there are so many people who get motivation after watching my video, who follows me blindly, who follows my channel blindly, my tips as well. So this is my responsibility to share with all of you as well, because yes, I also face this kind of things in my life, and if you're facing, that's natural. You shouldn't feel like that you made blunder and how you should react on at that time. It shouldn't be like that. Okay, so let's begin the video. The first thing, I have written down everything here so that I should not forget anything. Okay, so the first thing uh, happened in my life so many times, even whenever I try to speak with people in reality, like face to face. So this thing happened with me. It's very obvious, or it's very natural for me. That is, I fumble means not like this. Like suppose that there is a senior and I'm talking to him, or there is a teacher of any subject and I'm talking to him. Like if I want to ask anything and that question is very easy, I'm not gonna fumble. But if I need to explain about that or about any topics in English, uh, I fumble. Like, mm, mm, like this kind of happens with me, and I feel that this happened due to lack of vocab, lack of not confidence. I'm confident kind of girl, so that can be also reason. But yeah, this is absolutely normal, guys. It happens. Okay, you shouldn't feel like oh my god, ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है और मैं ही ऐसा क्यों करती हूँ या करता हूँ. It's not like that. Okay, so what you can do, what I do especially, I try to face that situation again and again in my life. I don't try to tolerate it. I don't try to keep away uh, from that thing. No, I try to face that thing again and again so that I can become more confident. Okay, and this is absolutely normal, guys. No one is perfect. Okay, and if you are not doing like this kind of thing, or it doesn't happen with you, congratulations. Okay, second thing, I think so much about that, am I making grammatical mistake? Yeah, guys, this happened with me. Like suppose that there is a teacher and I'm talking to him. I always care about this. Am I making grammatical mistake? Oh god, I made a blunder. I should have spoken like this. Oh god, I should have corrected it. Acha, what he is gonna think about me, that I don't know how to speak even English language? Like this kind of things go in my mind while speaking with someone in English, not in on phone, but in reality, face to face. This kind of things happen with me, and if this kind of things happen with you as well, it's normal. Don't think so much about it. Okay, just learn it and try to keep calm yourself at that time. And we are human beings, we are not machines. Okay, so we are definitely gonna make mistake. It's very normal thing. Okay, got it? I'm not perfect, guys. To be honest, I'm not perfect in this language and this language. So this kind of things often happened with me, and I think it's normal. Third is, how is my body posture? Is it matching with my feelings or words or not? Means that like that, I'm recording this video, and if I want to show gratitude, thank you very much guys for supporting me, for showering your love at me, for sharing my videos, for commenting, and so many things. Like, I'm trying to match my body posture and expression, face expression, my hand movements, everything should be accurate whatever you are speaking. And this is the kind of method. Whenever you do these kind of things, it means you know how to communicate with people. It's very simple thing. If you want to say anything else, if you are speaking anything else, and your posture, your face expression, your hand movements is not matching with it, does it make any sense? The other person is definitely gonna say, अपना बकवास अपने पास रखो, आंखें कुछ और कह रही है और तुम कुछ और कह रहे हो. So try to maintain these things as well while speaking that thing, and it happened with me oftenly. So keep remember it. If you are showing gratitude, then try to keep your posture, your smile, your face's expression, your hand movements should be saying whatever you are speaking. Got it? Fourth is, last but not the least, I keep always a smile on my face, as you can see here as well. And doesn't matter what is situation, and I think your smile can fix or can hide almost mistakes. It makes sense, guys. Like in this video, even if I make any kind of mistakes, you all are gonna ignore just because of my positive smile. So if you are talking with people as well in reality, try to keep a positive smile. Not like this. Ha ha ha. Not like this. It's, yeah. Yes sir. Okay. Okay. Like this kind of things. And if you keep your smile like this, I'm damn sure guys, no one is gonna care about your body posture, your hand movements and everything. ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए, थोड़ा लिमिट में. Yeah, try to keep remember everything whenever you speak with anyone. I usually make this kind of mistakes, that's why I thought I should share with all of you. I hope that this video is going to be helpful for all of you. If yes, then don't forget to share on your groups so that everyone can learn this language. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.